weapon, aka the fucking sword and shield, bro. It'll be fine, bro.
I'm only using one weapon, and it is this fucking beast mode hammer because I don't got another fucking hammer with beast mode.
Don't worry, Omega can get paralyzed. It'll be fine.
Exactly. There it is. Planted his protocol, savage. God help us all. It is. Planted his. Because I have no God help us all.
Just fucking flash forward to us just fucking dying, yeah. Yeah, bro, we might be so cooked.
So what? I only have 373 defense.
What the
hell? Yo,
oh my
what?
God, no way,
Trust.
I can trust. I can trust, bro. Yo, we might be. Yo, these 3 a.m. hunting sessions, bro, are the most funniest, or they're either the most fucking dead sessions ever. It's like NyQuil, except in different stages. Like, what the fuck?
Yo, man, Los killed the robot devil.
Yo.
A quick in and out. Killing the robot devil.
Quick in and out 30-minute adventure, bro. Oh,
yo, I'm kinda hungry. Let me eat this steak real quick.
Yeah, let me eat this steak real quick. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. I lied. I wasn't gonna be. Oh shit. Oh my HP. Oh no. Why are they role playing in the fucking chat right now, bro? There's too much shit going on. Oh fuck. Yo.
Get off the jackass. I might be him. I might be him. Run.
Yo, I'm trying. Oh fuck.
Denji, lock in.
I'm trying to lock in, Power. Shut the fuck up. There, he's paralyzed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, we literally just...
I already talked to Boxy. Oh please, get the fuck out.
Oh shit. Yo, how? I literally perfect dodged that. Game said no, I guess.
I really don't know. Everything hurts. Evil fire. Oh god.
Yo. Ow!
Yo, it's fine, we had insurance. Waka
Maharaga, help!
With this treasure I summon.
Yo, bro, do not bring that shit toward me. Cause I'm gonna do that for damn sure.
Oh god.
Just for the extra clip farming potential, bro.
Go, bro.
Oh fuck, the evil has fire. Oh shit. The goofiest session of Omega ever.
Oh my fucking god.
Yo.
Stop that shit now. Stop
that. Yo, hold on, I need to sharpen my fucking weapon. Yo, I'm getting fucking jumped. Oh shit, ice. Don't let them deport you, derp.
I'm good. Oh god. Drop him off when he gets there. When he breaks his pass over, I need to drop him off. Help!
Chainsaw Man fits, everything is just chaotic. Oh my god, bro. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh shit. What the fuck?
Big Bang Kamehameha!
Gonna be probably like thinking like, what the fuck? What? What the fuck are you doing? Yo, when I get mustard,
my God.
I'm gonna bring everything towards
Better not.
you. Yo, bro, I might. That would be so funny.
Evil fire, evil fire.
That'd be so funny. Oh, derp.
Oh!
Sorry, boy. Oh
Yo,
my fucking God.
yo, this might be karma. This might be karma.
Open it.
Yo.
No.
Yo.
Oh fucking God.
Yo. This might be karma. Oh shit, I need to heal.
Big Bang Kamehameha!
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Oh my God.
Yo, there are tears. There are actual
Nope.
tears. There...
Fucking God. Go left. Go fucking.
I know. Holy shit.
Oh my fucking God.
Yo. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Oh my god, I can't breathe,
Oh
bro.
my fucking God. Oh my God, this is cursed.
This is so cursed.
Okay, coming down. Oh my fucking God.
This is probably one of the best bits ever. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh
God.
shit. Oh shit.
Oh.
8 minutes and 30 seconds, man. What a record.